Next is step 5, gathering keywords. This is the first step in building the assets.
Here is one of the frequently asked questions slide that I told you guys were coming. And this question is, what are keywords?
So this is our WingMan definition of keywords. Keywords are just how customers are navigating online. I like to tell this example of brick and mortar versus online stores. In a brick and mortar, you can go around, walk the store. You get to use all your senses to be able to pick what you really want, to be able to bring it up to the counter and purchase it. When customers are going online shopping, the only way that they're able to find products are through words. And the words that they're using, we call those keywords. So now that we know keywords are just the words that customers are using, I'm going to give you 2 tips for gathering keywords. I love leveraging Amazon. We use it a lot in research. As we're doing the research, though, we can start gathering keywords to build a keyword list. Tip 2 is learn from your competitors. Looking at your competitors' listings and seeing what keywords they are using is another great way to start building your own keyword list. I want to go back to Amazon and show you these 2 tips in action. So if we have cat shirt is what we're going after, if we hit space, you can start to see that it auto-completes. These are keywords that we can start pulling to start building a keyword list. As we're niching down, if we go to You Are My Sunshine, if we click on that, we can start opening up competitors' listings. You can look at their brand, their title, and their bullets to see what keywords they're using. Here's another example. If cat shirts is what we're going after, that's the niche, we'll be able to gather additional words from this listing like pet. You can also see holidays that they might be targeting. You can see Halloween, Veterans Day, Memorial Day. These are all great keywords to pull and start building your own list.